Yeah, Dan, I barely hear you.
Oh, I don't know. I said a
Yep,
bad connection. Is that better?
yep, that's a much better, much better. Just curious how things were going. We hadn't talked to you in a while.
In the markets, Gary. I mean, I'm mystified by the break. We are much smaller on South American crop sizes than USDA based on our analysis. We think they're going to catch up to us. We think there's a story going forward of bullishness, but I can't tell you that the market's bottomed yet either. So we're just holding our breath and doing that.
Okay, so just sit tight.
I'm just sitting tight. I don't see a lot of opportunities here, and we've been struggling for the last 6 to 9 months on being more optimistic than the market. And China's taking a lot of stuff, but the market just doesn't want to respond. Someday it will, but I'm just patient at the time being. We'll look for basis opportunities, some stuff on basis, but I'm just not ready and willing yet to do flat price.
Okay, and so what's a good basis on corn?
As we get into the spring and we start to see better demand for for some of the renewable fuels, we'll see another 10 cents tightening. I think we'll have some fairly good premiums, if you will, but we're not there today in the weather unless you're selling something spot or somebody needs something. It's not the best of basis, but we think that both cash markets and futures firm up, but it's just not today.
Okay, what about selling into the carry?
You can do that, but the problem I have is if you have a flat price rally, you don't see the gains on the back end of the market.
Yep, yep. So, okay, I just hadn't
So
talked.
if you want to sell into the back and lock in that price for that day, I get it. But I think we'll be higher, and somewhere along the line with funds as heavily short as they are, we'll have a dollar rally in corn. We just got to be patient for it.
Okay. So you think, give us a number if you could, if it's for comfort level. You think we'll get a dollar out of the corn and how much out of the beans from today?
$1.50.
Okay.
We get back into the mid 13s. That'll be a place where we'll reward the rally. We get back into the lower mid 5s. That's a place where we'll rally the corn. My weather guy is talking about a drought in the Midwest next year. If it makes any difference. And our crop people down in Brazil see the soybean crop closer to 145 than USDA's 157. 12 million tons of beans, a big deal down in Brazil, but USDA takes their time in getting there. So our farmers are very disappointed. Like I said, we've been too bullish and wrong, and
Yep, I must have dropped you. I apologize.
oh no, it could have been on my end. I was just saying that we see smaller South America. I got a team going down there next week in terms of analyzing bean crops out in Brazil. But the USDA takes their time in getting there, so in April till for a Brazilian bean crop. But like I said, I think we just need to hold tight. And if I got cash grain, I'm just kind of hanging on to it, waiting for a bounce.
Okay. What about farmland or anything like that?
I'm not. I believe with rising rates and a less enthusiastic market longer term, farmland prices just plot sideways at best.
Okay, so it's not got to go down, just sit steady?
Yeah, I mean, when you still have farmers paying for a vast majority of the farmland, over 70% with cash, there's no leverage. So I don't see anybody dumping land. No, there's more in the market now, but we just don't see land prices doing anything.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well,
kind of a time where there's so many balls in the air, whether it's politics or world currencies or debt issues that. I don't know. We believe the market needs to be higher, but again, Chicago has been a fight, and funds have really pushed us down. But somewhere along the line, the funds will come out of their shorts on a weather scare, and that'll give us the opportunity.
Okay. So, out of curiosity, where are you at right now? You're somewhere warm?
I'm in a Farm Foundation meeting in Hawaii. It's I'm up working. It's 5 a.m, but I'm here as chairman. And we're just talking about that we're pulling some entities together on the Family Farm Alliance and trying to do some mental health things for U.S.
Hey, well, thank you very much for the help.
Bye-bye.
Bye.